So we're asked, what is the area of this square? Pause this video and see if you can figure it out. All right, so there's many ways that we can approach it, but one way to approach it is actually to try to break up this square into things that we know the dimensions of. So maybe a whole series of triangles might do the trick. Let me see what we can do here. So I like to do my problems in real time with you, so I haven't solved this before either. I can figure out the area of that triangle. I could figure out the area of this triangle. I think I see what I'm doing here. I can figure out the area of this triangle, and I can figure out the area of that triangle, and then I can also figure out the area of this inner square here. So yes, let's do that. So each of these triangles have a base of 4 units and a height of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. So this is going to be 1/2 times 4 times 7, because the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. 4 times 7, 28 times 1/2 is equal to 14 square units. Now, all of these triangles, they're all oriented differently, but this one is 7 by 4. So same thing, it has an area of 14 square units. This one has an area of 14 square units. This one has an area of 14 square units. And the center one, you can count out the squares, or you can see it's 3 by 3. So this has an area of 9 square units. So the area of this total first original square is going to be 14 plus 14 is 28. We have another 28 right over here. So 28 plus 28 plus 9. 28 plus 28 plus 9. This is 56 plus 9, which is equal to 65 square units. I could write it like this: units squared. I'm almost worried whether I added correctly. Yes, 56 plus 9 is 65. And we're done.